Stop trading time for money. The anti-hustle reset. Here's the trap no one warns you about. More hours won't buy your life back. I'm Holly. I help people build optional income at a human pace. Couple focused hours a day so work stops swallowing my life. We were taught that effort equals income. So we chase every hour like it's a lifeboat until the boat becomes a treadmill. If that's you, breathe. You're not behind. You're just early to your next version. Think ladder, not treadmill. A treadmill pays you only while you're running. A ladder is one useful thing that helps people again tomorrow without remaking it from scratch. That might be a small digital lesson, perhaps a checklist, or a simple guide you wish you had years ago. Tiny, honest, and helpful. Fear of missing out gets loud online. The algorithm shows you the same wins on repeat and whispers, "You're late." You're not late. You're in a crowded hallway looking for your door. Your door is the problem you've already lived through and can explain calmly. What's one small problem you've solved that someone like you is still struggling with? Start kinder, not faster. Give yourself 2 focused hours, one to make, one to organize, then close the laptop. Consistency is kinder than caffeine. If this is the pace you want, save this video. When you're ready, the link in my description explains the starter steps I used. No pressure. If you want the best path I found to break the time for money trap, click the link in my description. And don't forget to subscribe for more calm, practical videos. Watch next why your job might not be safe in 2025. And the link for it is right below. And I'm here if you ever have any questions to help you step by step.